Dear friends, today I come with one more new topic in grammar, that is article. Dear friends, before I am going to discuss the article, here I want to say a single definition, a single statement or single verbs, that is teaching is a profession. Teaching is a profession that creates many professions. Do you understand? Teaching is a profession that creates many professions. So that statement is very affect on me. By that statement, I love teaching. I want to express the more knowledge towards the students and towards the aspirants. By this statement, today let us start my class on article. Dear friends, article is the one more important topic in the grammatical section. So here I have written a definition, a best definition about the article, that is we wanted to simply say article is, or articles are the also adjective. It means I told in the previous classes regarding articles. Literally, we give definition about the adjective. That is, adjective is a word which is describe the noun or subject. In the same way, here also in the part of article, articles are the adjective. Articles are the adjective which describe the subject or noun. Which describe the subject or noun. How? Let us see here on the board. I have written a definition for the article. Articles are the also adjective which is usually describe subject or noun. Here I have certain example. I have written certain example on the board. That those are Rani is a singer. Rani is a singer. Here A is the article. A is article. So this A describes the Rani's position or Rani's profession, Rani's desire. It means she is a singer. ಅವಳೊಂದು ಹಾಡುಗಾರತಿ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾಳೆ. And Raju or Rajini is a cricket player. So here is the article. Cricket player. Who is the cricket player? Rajini is a cricket player. That shows the profession or position of the Rajini. That's why I am saying here a best definition about the article, that is articles are the, simply say, adjectives. Articles are the adjectives. So here that adjective are in the place of adjective, those articles describe the subject or noun. Here, Rani as well as Rajini both are noun. Those nouns occupy the place of in the subject form. Okay, let us move to the next one. Literally, a, ya, the articles. ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A, ya, the articles ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. Among them, we have to divide it into two types. The first one is definite article, second one is indefinite article, or indefinite article or definite article. So, those articles like definite and indefinite, they have their own meaning or their own examples. So let us see the first one now here. So this is the definite article and indefinite article. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ indefinite article, the first one is indefinite article. So here a and an, these articles called as a indefinite articles. Indefinite articles are a and an. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a ಮತ್ತು an ನ indefinite article ಅಂತ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. It means it is tell about something. Here indefinite article like a and an tell about something we don't know. For example, there is a bus, there is a bus, there is a bike. It means to tell something about the form of sentence or statement, and as a generally and used before singular countable noun. Yes, wonderful. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we can use the a and an or the indefinite article we used before the countable noun. For example, I have a chalk. I have a chalk. This is a countable noun. A means count. One chalk. This is a pen. A pen. Idu one pen agide. It means that definition is saying to us that is we use before the countable noun. We use before the countable noun. So here I have written some example regarding the a. There is a book. So here book is the noun. Book is the noun. There is a book. Book is the noun. A book. It means this a article a count the noun. Andre ಒಂದು book ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. This is an ice cream. This is an ice cream. ಅದು ಒಂದು ice cream ಆಗಿದೆ. Here ice cream is the noun. Yan is the article, indefinite article. This indefinite article count the noun. Able to count the noun. Here ice cream is the noun. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, next one. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ a ಮತ್ತು yan na we are able to consider as the indefinite articles. That's right. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ where we can use a and yan because of both are be considered as indefinite article, but we are use those articles in different ways. The the first one is a is used before singular countable noun. A is used before singular countable noun. Yes, because of that is belongs to indefinite article. So here a is used before singular. Singular in the sense ಒಂದು count ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು or countable noun. Here I have a pen. I have a pen. Here is a pen is a singular noun. Singular noun. This a is the article. This a count the noun. Count the noun. That's why the definition here used before singular countable noun. Countable means ನಾಮಪದಗಳನ್ನು ಕೌಂಟ್ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಒಂದು ಸಂದರ್ಭದಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. She has a notebook. ಇಲ್ಲಿ notebook is the noun and a is the article. Say count the noun. Count the noun. And this is a dog. This is a dog. ಅದು ಒಂದು ನಾಯಿ. This is a dog. So a that counts the dog. The dog belongs to the noun. The next one, he is a teacher. He is a teacher. Teacher is a noun and a article describe the position of the subject. Describe the position of the subject. ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಿದ್ದಾನೆ. That is the position. That is the position. ಅವನೊಬ್ಬ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕನಿದ್ದಾನೆ. That is a count the noun. Preeti is a doctor. Preeti is a doctor. So doctor is the noun. This article a counts the noun doctor. ಅವಳೊಬ್ಬಳು ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಇದ್ದಾಳೆ. So that's why we consider those articles are the adjectives, and this A we use different in the place because of A is used before vowel with consonant sound. Yes, ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ A is used before consonant. Yes, these are the consonant book B. It means we have the 26 letters. Among them, ಅವುಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ we have to divide into vowel and consonant sounds. 5 vowels ಇದ್ರೆ 21 consonant sounds ಇದಾವೆ, ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಇದಾವೆ. ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಎ ಅಂತ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಅಕ್ಷರಗಳ ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಪಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ನೋಟ್ಬುಕ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಡಾಗ್ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಟಿ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. In the same way, A is used before vowel with consonant sounds. So ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ A ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ vowel. We have the 5 vowels A, E, I, O, U. These are called as the vowels. A, E, I, O, U. ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು vowels ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. vowels ಮುಂದ್ಗಡೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ A ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು vowels ಏನಾಗಿರ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಲೈಕ್ B, C, D ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಏನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಆದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A is used before vowel with consonant sounds. Yes, in that way here especially U and O, according to the vowel U and O, those are called as a vowels. But sometimes those words sounds as consonant sound. ವ್ಯಂಜನವಾಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಯೂನಿವರ್ಸಿಟಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಇದು ಯು ಆಗಿದೆ, ಯು ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ವೊವೆಲ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಎ ಯಾರುವಂತ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬಾರದು. ಡೋಂಟ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಯು when we pronounce university, not for university, university, this you pronounce as yu, university, yu. So again, when we pronounce this word university, automatically we recognize the word like U, Y and U. So Y is considered as a consonant sound. That's why we can use article A, university. This is a university. Now let us move to the one more example like that. There is a unicorn bike. Just listen carefully. It's very difficult and try to understand it easily and follow me. There is a unicorn bike. U looks like a consonant. Sorry, U looks like a vowel. But when we pronounce that U, unicorn, automatically pronounced as a unicorn. Y U ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So Y ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ A ಅನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀನಿ ಅಂತ. The same way we have the one more example. She learns a useful topic. You, this is also vowel, but when we pronounce, ಯಾವಾಗ ಉಚ್ಚಾರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ ಅನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಸ್ಫುಲ್. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ವೈ ಯು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀ ನೋಡ್ರಿ ವೈ ಯು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಈ ವೈ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಿಗಿನಿಂಗ್ ಲೆಟರ್ ಕಾನ್ಸನೆಂಟ್ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಎ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಗೋ ಟು ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. I have a 1 rupee coin. See here, O is vowel. But here ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ O ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು WO ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರೊನೌನ್ಸಿಯೇಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವರ್ನ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ ನಾವು ಕಾಮನ್ ಆಗಿ. We won the match. WON, the match. The same way, I have 1 rupee coin. 1 rupee. That is a pronunciation as a WO. That's why we use article A. So this is about the special characterized words like you and wo. Just keep in your mind, and once again watch this video very clearly. That helps to understanding easy about the article. So if you like this video and share and subscribe the video. Thank you.